Ever scanned a square-shaped barcode and wondered what magic happened behind the screen? Maybe you've seen those funky patterns popping up everywhere on restaurant tables and shops, even on the backs of people's phones. Well, today, we're diving deep into one of these mysterious squares, the FavePay QR code. Let's face it, in the age of contactless everything, from tapping your card to unlocking your phone, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by technology. But fear not, QR codes, especially FavePays, are simpler than they look. Think of them as the teleportation devices of the payment world. So, what exactly is a FavePay QR code? Imagine a digital storefront squeezed into a tiny square. It's like having a mini mall in your pocket, but instead of physical products, you're buying services or items. When you scan that code, you're essentially opening a digital door to a transaction. But how does it work? Picture this: you're at a restaurant, tantalized by the dessert menu. Instead of fumbling for cash or cards, you whip out your phone, open your FavePay app, and point the camera at the QR code. Poof, you're on a digital checkout page. Choose your item, confirm the payment, and voila! You've just paid without exchanging a single physical item. Now, you might be thinking, why bother with a QR code when I can just use my card? Well, for starters, speed. QR codes are lightning fast. No more waiting for the card machine to wake up. Secondly, security. Your payment information is encrypted, making it safer than handing over your card. And lastly, convenience. You don't need to carry around a wallet full of cards. Your phone is your wallet. But FavePay QR codes aren't just for restaurants. They're popping up everywhere. From small shops to big retailers, it's becoming the preferred payment method. And why wouldn't it be? It's easy, secure, and fast. So, the next time you see a FavePay QR code, don't be intimidated. It's your ticket to a seamless shopping experience. And remember, technology is there to make our lives easier, not harder. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.